Hello and welcome to a quick tip video with latakoo.com. I'm Michelle Moon Reinhardt and I'll be taking you through watch folders. So watch folders are a great way to automate uploads, especially when you're busy. You might be setting up a live shot, you might be getting ready for a live shot. These are a great way to set up automated uploads using your default settings in latakoo. Let's take a look at the default settings in latakoo. If you look here in the flight application under options, under the general tab you have some default settings, and under the advanced tab you can set up your watch folder path. So let's look at the path first. So if you want to enable a watch folder, you simply check this box, watch folder path, and then browse to select exactly where you want your watch folder to be. Now for mine, I just set up a folder on my desktop called watch folder, and that's what I'm going to select, and I'm going to hit OK for those to stick. Now the watch folder is going to take any default settings that you have already established. So under the general tab in options, you can make sure you are comfortable with those. So for instance, your default bitrate, now this is your slider, your quality slider bar. A lot of our clients will use faster or perhaps fast or even advanced studio quality. So let's just say that I'm going to default my bitrate to fast. I'm also going to select a default network. As you can see here, you can select multiple, but I'm going to select latakoo. And then my default uploading. Am I going to be sending individual files? Files that are grouped together in a folder, or stitched together files. And we do recommend that you select individual files for your default. You can always change those. And then, of course, if you select individual files as your default, you will also have an individual metadata form for each of those files if you have metadata enabled on your account. Click OK. And then you can see, here's my watch folder. So now I'm going to move a file into the watch folder. And as you can see, it automatically begins the upload. Remember, I selected fast for my quality slider as a default, and indeed it is showing me that that file is going up as fast bitrate, and it's going up to the latakoo network. I didn't have to press start, I didn't have to do anything but drag that file into the watch folder. You can see it's processing now, the metadata form has popped up, and it's already starting to upload. So now if I went to Pilot, you can see that test watch folder has been uploaded in the fast. Let's go in and look at the details. It was uploaded as fast, and it went to the latakoo network. So those again were my defaults that I set in my options. One thing that you should know is that anything you put in the watch folder is not going to be there. latakoo is going to clear that as soon as it uploads it. So don't make your watch folder your export folder from your edit system. What you want to do is you want to make sure you make a copy of your export from your edit system before you put it in the watch folder. Otherwise, that file will be cleared and you won't have that final export of your story. So that is how you set up a watch folder and use it with latakoo.